So here's one way you can mount your charger, Dewalt charger, on the wall. First, you remove the bottom screws, you open it up, you screw the charger base on a piece of plywood or any sort of mounting material. Remember to countersink those screws so that they won't touch the bottom of the PCB, because then you might have a short and not a good time. And if you want to be super careful, you can put pieces of electrical tape on top of these, but these are actually below the surface, so I'm not worried about them touching any contacts. And the reason you need this plywood on the bottom is that you can close up the case, because if you mount this directly to the wall, there's no way you can access the screw holes here. So there you go. Super quick and easy to do. And it's super solid.